Hi guys, Peach Chester Bali here, and we're back for another Hunger Games. And this is 4, I believe, or 3. And again, I'm always using third personal view back, but not in survival. Always on Hunger Games, but not in like survival episodes. I mean survival series like that, or Skywars. Okay, let's start. And we're gonna go for a massive kills these days. Oh, we have a teleporter kit. Oh my god, why did I teleport? That's a bad idea. Fuck me. Let's go find some items. Oh fudge. Where do I... Oh, I have to do the... Oh fuck. I'm not... Why doesn't it sprint? What the heck is going on with my sprint? Oh come on, you know what? Screw this. I'm out. I'm going to somewhere else. I'm going to find some... Nope, I'm not going in there. I'm going here. YouTuber X. YouTuber X. I don't know him. Maybe I can be friend with him if he's a YouTuber too though. And nope, I don't want that. I want this. Okay, now we have carrots. Okay, let's put our axe on the hotbar and let's find more. And that's a sword. I want a sword. It's better for me. Well, not for nothing, but it's really helpful for me. Now time to kill this guy. So this guy, oh, is it a girl? Is it a girl? Is it a girl? Is it a girl? Yes, it's a girl. And now I better run. Run! Run like a mud. Oh. Oh my god, I did wrong. Oh my, I'm such a noob. Why do I have to stop running from that girl? Well, I guess I'm gonna wrap this video up right now, right here, right now. So we lost again, and I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. And if you wanna, oh yeah, and after this I think I'm gonna do the survival series because I haven't uploaded yet because it's been like weeks or days I didn't upload a video about it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.